Imagine being able to view a composer file, select any view, play animations, and interact with actors without having a license of Composer. That's exactly what Composer Player has been designed to do. So let's take a quick look at how to open and share files, adjust file options, and make the most out of all the other Composer Player features in this 2-minute tech tip. Composer Player is automatically installed alongside a standard SOLIDWORKS Composer installation, so unless you opted out, you'll likely already have it installed. As previously mentioned, Composer Player allows people to view your Composer content as an end user without needing a license of Composer. Anyone can download Composer Player, and if you need to send a Composer file to someone who doesn't have it, you can save your document as a SOLIDWORKS Composer package, which is an exe file that contains Composer Player embedded within it, so they'll be able to view your documents without any issue. As a reminder, Composer Player opens and works with the same SMG file type used by the full Composer program. But when saving an SMG file within Composer, we also have a rights manager we can access, which allows you to control what Composer Player will have access to. For example, if I want my recipient to be able to add annotations, I want this option turned on. Other options exist to control bill of materials, viewing the assembly tree, and accessing the digger tool, among others. Certain options, like the ability to save documents from within Composer Player, require the professional version of Composer Player. To save this document as an executable, we can use the Save As function, and select the drop-down to save it as a Composer package. As a reminder, this will include both the SMG and an exe containing Composer Player, and as a result, the file size will be larger. Since I have the file already, I'll click Cancel. Taking a look at this same file now from the perspective of SOLIDWORKS Composer Player, the user will have access to all views, along with any view collections, and they can easily click through all the views. They can also utilize any buttons or links that were built into the Composer file, allowing you and your viewers to take full advantage of Composer's interactive capabilities. In addition, we can zoom in, rotate actors, add annotations, perform reviews, and take measurements as needed to add information and gather information from the document. And we can do all of this within the free Composer Player. If there's an animation, we can play it and further control it using the playback controls, and the digger tool is accessible as well. At any point, press the spacebar to turn on the digger, and all the expected functions will be available, including the center of interest, X-ray, onion skin, and cutting plane modes. Composer Player provides another way for viewers to interact with your technical documentation, whether that be an assembly manual, training material, or a product demonstration. From clicking through the views and playing animations to manipulating the actors and reviewing documents, all of it can be done within the free and simple Composer Player. For more information, check out our full-length course on SOLIDWORKS Composer. Here you'll find hours of detailed information on creating technical documentation in Composer, along with best practices for updating files and producing compelling high-quality visuals. Thanks for watching.